One of the things we say here at Druva is that by being cloud native, we get to take advantage of advancements that AWS makes in their own technology. A perfect example of that is Snowball Edge, which is a hardened physical appliance that comes with both compute and storage. We use this to solve the challenge of a customer that has a large data set that they'd like to back up to us, but they don't have enough bandwidth to back it up in what they consider an acceptable time. So each Snowball Edge can handle about 80 terabytes. And so let's say a customer has 800 terabytes of data, they would need roughly 10 Snowball Edge devices. All they need to do is go into the Druva Phoenix console and select the number of Snowball Edge devices that they would need. AWS then ships them the devices, pre-configured with Druva data management technology. They then back up to those devices. Once that backup is complete, they ship that device back to Amazon. Amazon then uploads that data into S3. The best part about this is that this service is provided at no additional cost to Druva Phoenix customers. So if you have a large data center and you're considering Druva Phoenix, make sure to ask about Snowball Edge.